was a question about it's like a poem written by the Arizal. Mm-hmm. I don't know if Ashkenazim read Azamer Bishbachim on Shabbos.
Maybe. Okay. I don't know. Okay. So what about it? Yes.
There's this part that says something like, "Come, friends, and make your preparation to increase delicacies, fish, and poultry. That in this way new souls are created with the 32 paths of knowledge." So it says about the fish and poultry in this. It mentions like 32 paths of knowledge that I kind of related to the 32 teeth that we have in our mouth. Mm-hmm. So I was wondering if we create the souls by eating this fish and poultry that Arizal is mentioning.
I don't think it is literal. It's something Kabbalistic, something spiritual. It's not about eating things and you're going to get smart or something. No. I think it's something spiritual, but we need to see his commentary, somebody else's commentary. Well, what is it? I don't know.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.